Hi, this is Chris Boskis with Acieta, and here today we're going to talk about our SRVO-062, the battery zero alarm, and the SRVO-065, the battery low alarm, and how to fix it. In order to correct this fault, we will go and navigate again to our active alarm screen. We will press our menu button, cursor down to 4 for alarm, and press enter. You can see that here I don't have any active alarms, so what we're actually going to go and do as well is press F3 for the history. You can see that in this screen that my battery low alarm is on every axis. This indicates that the batteries in the base of our robot are going dead. We will need to replace them. In addition to that, the battery zero alarm, which will also potentially be on this screen as a BZAL, a SRVO-062. This also means that the battery voltage has gone too low, and we also need to replace those batteries. After you have looked at the alarm history screen, we need to make sure that when replacing the batteries in the base of our robot, that this controller power gets left on. Please be sure to leave it on when replacing the batteries. Depending on your robot model, you will need a set of C-cell batteries or a set of D-cell batteries. For this specific robot, it is a set of C-cell batteries. The first thing I'm going to go and do is remove the cover off of the base of the robot. The next thing I'm going to go and do is pull this tab in the middle. That will allow the batteries to come out and then gain easy access to pull all 4 batteries out. Keep in mind that FANUC does give you a key next to each one of where the batteries need to go for the plus symbol and the minus symbol. After which, I'm going to go and put my batteries, my new set of batteries, in my robot. And when I am finished, I will put the cover back on. Be sure while putting this cover back on that you don't over tighten these screws because they can break. If they do break, they are an M4 socket head cap screw. With the battery cover back on, we have now replaced the batteries and we will be able to clear the fault. For further assistance on the alarm that we have just talked about, we can also navigate to the Help and Diagnose within the Teach Pennant by pressing our menu button and going to the active alarm screen and holding down the Shift button and then pressing our Diagnose button at the bottom. This will open up the alarm documentation for the specific alarm that you are experiencing. This will give you the cause and other potential remedies. This is another great tool to use. For further assistance with any alarm, contact your Acieta service team at 844-4-ACETA.